Hisense's laser TVs are fantastic all-in-one systems. Included with the L9 is either a 100 or 120 inch screen. But what if you don't need the screen? Maybe you already have one or you require a different sized image. The clever people at Hisense have just launched a product that's perfect for you, the PX1-PRO. Let's take a look inside the box. So inside here we have a cleaning kit. Inside the cleaning kit we have 2 pairs of gloves. We have a cleaning cloth to clean your lens. We also have a air blower, a brush to dust off all the dust particles, what else have we got? We have the remote, which is an Android remote. So it's got Google Chrome built in and has all your essentials: YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video and Google Play. What else? We have the power lead. Power it up. We have some instructions on how to use the C-shaped blocks. I'll show you the C-shaped blocks. These are said C-shaped blocks. So these are used for after you've installed the projector, in order to keep and retain the position of your projector. You pop these behind the feet, and that way when you ever have to move your projector for cleaning purposes or for whatever reason, you can always fit it back into place. You also have a warranty included in the pack, a manual, and this is a mini jack to RCA. We also have included a wrench. This is used to screw in the feet once you've placed the projector. Now let's take a look inside for the projector. Let's just unravel it. So first thing you do see is the actions that are prohibited, such as placing fingers on lenses. You don't want to do that, however you do have the cleaning kit available. So the PX1-PRO has 2 15-watt speakers actually built in. However, if you choose not to use the speakers, let's just flip this round. You have an analog output, a digital audio output, or if you want to attach a surround system or soundbar, it also has a HDMI with eARC. Other inputs include a second HDMI output, a USB which can power a streaming stick or can be used to watch content from a USB stick, and lastly we have a wired LAN connection. This can be used instead of the built-in Wi-Fi. Let's take it to the den and see what it looks like on screen. Unlike traditional projectors, you don't need to ceiling mount this at the other end of the room, or work out how you're going to get your cables over to it. This sits in a similar position to where your TV would be. This versatile ultra short throw projector can produce an image from 90 inches up to a sizable 130 inches. You just need to place the projector the correct distance from the screen. The further away you go, the bigger image you get. The front of the projector only needs to be 27 centimeters away from a 90-inch screen. This goes up to nearly 48 centimeters for a 130-inch image, so care should be taken as to what furniture you're placing the projector on. Like the L9, the PX1-PRO has 3 lasers, so it can produce over 1 billion colours, exceeding 100% of the BT 2020 colour space. And as a result, images look incredibly punchy. It's not as bright as the L9 laser TV, but it still has 2000 lumens. Due to this, you will have to be more careful with light control in the room. Another benefit of using lasers is there are no lamps to change. Hisense expect the lasers to last 25,000 hours, or roughly around 10,000 movies. With these bright lasers, you don't want to be looking directly into the projector. To minimise the possibility of this, there is an auto laser shutoff, so if someone happens to get in the way, their eyes are protected. The PX1-PRO is a DLP projector and can resolve a 4K image on screen. Using a form of pixel shift, it can show 8.3 million pixels on screen and can show HDR content too. So for big screen entertainment at under £3,000, you can't go far wrong with the Hisense's new PX1-PRO. Also, check out our video on the new Hisense L9. Here at AWE, we supply a large range of big screen options.
Check out more videos below and support our channel by hitting the like button. If you want any of our latest videos, please remember to subscribe and check the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever our new content is released. Please leave any thoughts or questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching.